We've had a long-standing relationship with Central Group. We run 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. We have support during that period. Central Group have always provided us with an alternative, either a repair straight away or another Heli forklift to enable us to continue production. We've had zero lost time.
So it's always been really, really easy to get in touch with Central. Whenever I send them an email, they're always incredibly quick to respond. If we've ever got any issues, they've got a 24/7 maintenance helpline that we can contact them on. If we have a breakdown outside of hours, it's very, very easy for our supervisors to actually contact them to be able to make sure that we get our vehicles serviced and fixed, because we need them 24 hours a day, 5 days a week.